Welcome to Empire Home, where innovation meets simplicity. Today, we're thrilled to introduce our newest product, Review, a powerful software designed to revolutionize how businesses collect, manage, and respond to customer feedback. Whether you're a small business or an established enterprise, ExpertSlides Review helps you understand your customers better, improve your service, and grow your reputation. The power of presentations. Presentations are everything in business today. They are the cornerstone of communication in the corporate world. They're your chance to pitch ideas, share your vision, and inspire action. A well-crafted presentation can convey complex ideas simply and effectively. A killer presentation can make or break a deal, win over investors, and even launch your career to new heights. It's your moment to shine and leave a lasting impression. But let's be real for a second. How many presentations have you sat through that felt like a slow death? We've all been there, struggling to stay awake. You know the ones: endless bullet points, cheesy stock photos, and zero personality. These presentations fail to engage and often miss the mark. It's time to say goodbye to boring presentations forever. Imagine captivating your audience from start to finish. The good news? You don't need to be a design whiz to create presentations that truly captivate. With a bit of creativity and the right approach, anyone can do it. You just need the right tools in your arsenal. Embrace modern presentation software and techniques to elevate your game. Breaking free from boredom. Generic presentations are a missed opportunity. They often fail to capture the essence of your message. They lack the power to engage your audience and often do more harm than good. Instead of inspiring, they put people to sleep. Think about it. Would you rather listen to someone drone on about dry data or be captivated by a story that pulls you in? Stories have the power to transform information into something memorable. We all crave connection, and that's exactly what a powerful presentation can deliver. It bridges the gap between speaker and audience. When you ditch the boring templates and embrace creativity, you unlock a world of possibilities. Your slides become a canvas for innovation. Imagine this: your ideas flowing seamlessly, your visuals popping off the screen, and your audience hanging on to your every word. It's not just a presentation, it's an experience. That's the magic of a presentation that truly connects. It leaves a lasting impression and sparks meaningful conversations. Introducing ExpertSlides, your presentation powerhouse. Ready to ditch the boring presentations and unleash your inner presentation rockstar? Meet ExpertSlides, your secret weapon for creating presentations that truly wow. ExpertSlides is a game changer for anyone who wants to create stunning professional presentations with ease. No more wrestling with clunky software or spending hours on design elements. ExpertSlides takes care of all the heavy lifting so you can focus on what truly matters: your message. ExpertSlides. Features that transform your presentations. Imagine having a tool that takes your presentations to the next level effortlessly. Seamless integration. ExpertSlides integrates seamlessly with PowerPoint, so you can say goodbye to learning new software. No more switching between different tools or struggling with compatibility issues. It's like having a secret design team working their magic behind the scenes, ensuring your slides look professional and polished every time. Easy installation. Getting started with ExpertSlides is as easy as 1, 2, 3. No need for technical expertise or lengthy setup processes. Simply download the add-in and you're ready to roll. The installation process is quick and straightforward, so you can focus on creating stunning presentations. No complicated setup or tech headaches. The user-friendly interface ensures a smooth experience from start to finish. Diverse template library. Choose from a vast library of professionally designed templates that will make your presentations stand out from the crowd. Each template is crafted to meet various needs and styles. Whether you're pitching a new business idea, presenting marketing data, or sharing quarterly results, or creating a training for your team. ExpertSlides has you covered. It's perfect for any professional setting. Versatile solutions. ExpertSlides isn't just for business presentations. It's a versatile tool for all your presentation needs. Use it to create engaging educational materials, captivating social media graphics, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. Engaging graphics. Say goodbye to cheesy stock photos. Elevate your visuals with high-quality graphics. ExpertSlides comes loaded with a library of high-quality icons, illustrations, and customizable elements, and graphics that will add visual interest and make your presentations pop. Your audience will be captivated by the professional look and feel of your slides. Elevate your presentations today. Boost your business with ExpertSlides. Take your presentations to the next level with ExpertSlides and enjoy an exclusive 5% monthly discount on your subscription just for signing up through our channel. Click the link in the description to access this special offer. As a dedicated user, I can personally attest to the incredible impact ExpertSlides has had on my business. It's a game changer, and I highly recommend it. Don't wait, unlock your discount and sign up today through the link below. Are you a fan of our channel? Be sure to subscribe to Empire Home and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos, ExpertSlides. Effortless presentations. Get yours now. Discount link.